great institution and preparation. The other guest speaker, Professor Emeritus, School of Management, the organizer of the meet, Mr. Ranjay, founder, CEO, Technocrats, Indian Talent Fighter. My friends, I could see a lot of my friends at this auditorium. Great mathematicians are there, great computer scientists are there, and senior people. Yes, my students, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. It is my honor and privilege to be associated with this great event organized to celebrate the 90th birth anniversary of Professor Ananda Krishnan, an accomplished Padma Shri awardee with integrity and significant contribution. When I talk about his contribution, what Tamil Nadu is today, it is because of that computing, Tamil computing. His participation was total. He put a lot of time, effort, many things. There is a nice poem by Avayar Mudurai. Nallarai Kampadu Nandai, Nalamika Nallar Son Kelpadu Nandai, Nallarodu Inaitti Irupadu Nandai, Our Gunagal Uraipadu Nandai. Right? Nallar Gunagal Uraipadu Nandai, Our Gunagal Inaitti Irupadu Nandai. And Mr. Nidhili got the opportunity on all the four. He was with him for so many years. For me, the last 1 year is virtual. The first three, right, many times we talked about him. Many times we listened to him. Couple of times we talked to him. So in that aspect, such a great person's event. I am happy to be associated. So he is very good in computing and Tamil computing. So the topic what I should select should be at least associated with this. In that aspect only I gave this title, the relevance and importance of curriculum in era. I have been teaching stochastic models and object-oriented programming for the last so many decades. Sometimes in the late 90s, one of my PhD students gave the book Volume Vallumam by Dr. V.C. Plandasamy. The great gentleman was the Vice Chancellor for 3 consecutive terms at NIMC. Just I went through the book. He was doing my PhD. It was just 9 rupees book that time. Just 9 rupees, a Sakitya Academy Award. One chapter talked about Podumai Note. Podumai Note, when I read somewhere, he has mentioned abstraction. It was Tamil book, but within the bracket, somewhere he mentioned about abstraction. But for me, abstraction is the most important characteristics of object-oriented programming. So from that, basically, I am a mathematics PhD person, computer science. So I started looking at this. Finally, I could present a paper in the 5th Tiruppuram World Conference in Chicago 2024, April, on the title Tiruppuram and Object-Oriented Programming. It is available on the YouTube. Closely 30,000 people have seen that, right? So, when Mr. Engineer asked me to address this gathering, it took some time for me to fix a title. So finally finally I came to this title. One important thing what I want to project upon is a diagram. It is again a chance I got this diagram. Right? By chance I got this diagram. Seriously. Somewhere I have written anonymous because I should take ownership. I should not take ownership for this. But it is a fantastic diagram. Which talks about the whole AI. Which talks about the artificial intelligence. View many things. Many things. We observe many things. Finally, they are mapped as patterns. Patterns make us to learn, and learning gives prediction. This is a goal of artificial intelligence. Right? So, with this as a theme, I would like to go slightly deep. We observe many things. Many things we observe day to day. Either it is mapped as a word or as a mathematical equation. Word sometimes may be one or two lines of text. Whatever we observe is mapped as words or mathematics. Repeatedly and telling. These are the two things. Even Newton wrote a book, The Nature of the Book of Nature in Mathematics. Einstein also looked at everything as mathematics. Okay. So I got the second side and it talks about modeling. So the most important thing in problem solving is identify the model. Whether it is engineer or mathematician or any person, we have to find out the appropriate model. And after reading Tiruppural, what I found are my inference. The best modeler is Tiruppural. The best modeler. Not joking, seriously I am telling. Current generation use digitized English. They are not at all prepared to write lengthy things. Am I correct or not? For them, principal is princi, machan is machi. Am I correct? Calculator is catchy. Right? They are not at all prepared to write full name. They want all the time some abbreviation, precise things. Tiruppural 2000 years back used 27 words. No need I have to waste the time. Precisely you talk. Precisely you map. So that is what I mean by first thing modeling. Basically, I am a mathematician. I take this model for Tiruppural. Right? So in that aspect, the first word. I said words. Words are very important things in modeling. Some complex things I find, right? Finally I say he is a male, he is a female. They would appreciate? Say yes, sir. All this structure is a complex structure. Simply he map it as what? A lady, right? A complex structure, mapping. All the time modeling is associated with identifying the appropriate words. Solliga, sollai. This is the first thing, model. Okay? So words are very important, very powerful. Right? The second one, again I got this. Just now only I talked about mapping. Either it is mapped as numbers or it is mapped as what? Words. Am I correct? Both are available in this book. N is contraction for mathematics. N is simply what? Mathematics. Right? And N2, it is what text. These two are very important. So, Tiruppural, again I am justifying the best model. Two words. If I interpret this way, nobody is going to get affected. Am I correct? Knowledge is perfect. It never disturbs anyone. I look at for my convenience. If because every Quran is polymath. Every Quran is polymath. The way in which you want to interpret a Quran, you can interpret. That is a power. That is a richness of Quran. Okay? So I take shelter from that. Since it is polymath, I view the way in which I want to interpret. It never disturbs anyone. One is mathematics, the other is words. Okay? The second word. Having defined this, I am coming to what? The abstraction. So first I talked about modeling, then I am coming to what? Abstraction. Rather both are one and the same. But explicitly I want to specify this is something different. Okay? In that aspect, I have identified, I have taken a Quran from the book, Quran. Aruvine Enba Uravu, Kariviyan Karam Arindise. Aruvine Enba Uravu, Kariviyan Karam Arindise. Computer, even Valluvar talked about this. Some people may say, because of the outside temperature I am talking, I am roughing. 2000 years back, I doubt very much whether it was there. This also he talked about. Who? Valluvar. Such a visionary. Right? Why? The word he has used is what? Kaivi. There is no hard job if you have a good instrument. Right? The excellence component is thrown. You have to appreciate. Now I can put AI tools there. I can put AI tools. So if you feel some task is hard, with tools you are able to handle it. And of course appropriate time. So such a rich and powerful word. So anything you want to fit, you can fit. It will never disturb anybody. Am I correct or not? It is a tool. Right, okay. Then the next Quran, if I go on talking this is again the same thing on similar lines. Again it talks about that. Amachi means governance. For that also what is required? Time, appropriate time, tools, all the time you need to solve the problem. What a vision. I admire and salute the great gentleman. This is still a fantastic Quran. If MBA graduates are here, don't catch me. If you know this Quran, MBA degree is not necessary. With due respect to all MBA graduates. Right. Idanal, even Modiku, Endaku, Adanai, Avan can do that. Right? Identify and assign. I wonder the then Chief Minister identified Professor Ananda Krishnan for what? That comes from Modi. You would understand? He was the chairman of Higher Education Council. He assigned this task only to this 8%. So identify and assign. Idanal, dingy point is like. It is not dingy point. It is in time. Please remember that there is a rider, a strong rider there. It is not just like that what is said you are assigning. Identify not arbitrarily. Right? With some, sense. So, female ladies, don't mistake me. Don't cast a Tiruvalluvar for not using the towel. It is applicable. In that time, you have to accept that video. You have to understand. So it is generic. It is very, very generic. Amazing, fantastic. Then these are all associated with abstraction. And more the abstraction, better survey. The talk is a good talk provided with this idea of abstract. Right? A theory is a meaningful theory which is abstract. Newton's, three law, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So abstract, right? It is independent of place, time, anything for that matter. So, then the next one, which is very close to my heart, is adaptability. I'm a teacher. Many times parents used to come and ask, after 4 years, whether this program is having the same sound like what it is today. I used to tell them I'm not an astrologer, right? Because we don't know next time, next minute what is going to happen. Am I correct? All these people, most of them are dance people. Hope you know that. Am I correct or not? Okay. So I'm not an astrologer to tell you this program after 4 years we have we have great mind. In this program we have great mind. Absolutely idiotic. Absolutely idiotic. But what assurance I used to give to the parents is, right, we will make your students adaptable. We will make your gods adaptable. If they are not able to adapt, no survival. Absolutely there is no survival. There are many civil engineers doing exceptionally well in IT. There are many mechanical engineers doing phenomenally well in IT. Some of the top-notch people are what I said, mechanical engineers, right, or production engineers. So absolutely no, they are quickly able to adapt. That is what I mean by adaptability. And Valliver talks about adaptability. Valliver talks about adaptability. The fantastic Quran, amazingly pleasant Quran, excellent Quran, a Quran which is very close to my heart. Very close to my heart. All the places I used to talk about this story. Among the Modahan, one who is not able to adapt. When I come to this hall, I should know the pulse of the audience. Am I correct? I could smell nonsense, I should read. அதுக்கு கூட குறிப்பு அறிஞர் வச்சிருக்கிறார். யார்? வள்ளுவர். இன்பத்து பாங்க ஒன்று இருக்குது, அறுத்து பாங்க கூட ஒன்று குறிப்பறி. Right? So that is very important. I could read, I could smell sense. So, one who is not able to adapt, one who doesn't know the scope. The scope is very interesting. As a teacher, I have to inject value education also to the student. Not only transfer what is available in the book to the student, some value education. When you travel in the night in a bike, street dogs will follow shouting at you. Am I correct or not? Barking. Though it is capable of running, after some point it will hand over charge to the next street dog. Say 7. You should have experience, especially those who are sitting in the pavilion will be able to understand the effect of what this dogs. Dogs are much smarter. They know their boundaries. After this point, if I go, the other street dog may bite, the other street people may throw stone, we may not be able to reach our place. That is the reason it is coming back. No, it is capable already. Seriously. So, many times people don't know their scope. Whether this is meaningful, this place, absolutely they don't know. They go on talking, they go on talking something. Whether it is meaningful, relevant, they never bother. Absolutely, they never bother. The third one, there is no need I have to tell. Self-boosting. So, to get through in Nasama Purvil, more. Explicita Sodirum, Najamani. Not able to adapt. What is that? Scope. In programming language, I used to tell this is scope of an identifier. Those who are compatible with programming language will be able to appreciate this is nothing but scope of a where a variable is recognized. Where a variable is recognized. And then the last one is boosted. Continuously talking about themselves. Right? So if that 3 are there, natural, death. Okay, right. So we have to check all the time. I used to tell the students as part of value education, what will bring happiness to the parent is, your parents should say, My son is amazingly good in classification. My daughter is amazingly good in what? Classification. That day is the happiest day for the parents. Am I correct or not? Whether it comes by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, my God knows what to do, what not to do. Am I correct? So context, everything. All the things are very, very clearly given in 4 plus 3, 7 months. No need you have to go to any, right, okay, absolutely no need, right? Then another, this is also equally important for adaptability. உலகத்தோடு ஒட்ட உலகல் பலகற்றும் கல்லார் அறிவில்லாத, right? எவ்வளவு வேணாலும் படிச்சிருக்கலாம். If you are not able to what is that aligned with the word, it is of no use. Again, another kind of adaptability, right? I should not waste by talking too much on something which you people are not able to appreciate. Quickly, I have to what is that adapt to this environment. Then the next important thing and the most important thing, what I notice that project many times is the importance of evaluation. In what way it is connected with this title, curriculum, all the things you will be able to connect. If you look at teaching learning process, 3 things are very important. One is content, the other is delivery, the last one is evaluation. It is a CDE process. Content is curriculum. And delivery is not PowerPoint presentation. Delivery is not PowerPoint presentation. Because many colleges who are having AA program, but finally it is only PowerPoint presentation. Okay? It is not PowerPoint presentation. It talks about the competency of the faculty. Delivery means teaching. The lecture is delivered means whether it reaches the other side. Am I correct or not? It is not throwing and going. So that is what I mean by whether a letter is delivered. It should reach a concerned person. So teaching is reaching. Such competency faculty are available. That is delivery. The third one is most important thing, evaluation. Right? Most important thing is evaluation. This person, Valluvar, great visionary, right? After 2000 years back, he sensed open AI tools will be there. Open AI tools will be there. ChatGPT, correct? Gemini, Copilot, etc., all are available. A teacher gives an assignment, and immediately assignment is available. Now the question is whether the teacher has to evaluate the paper or the person. You would understand? Right? So in that aspect, I am projecting the importance of evaluation. Other Kuda, Valluvar Suri to how many engineering colleges are there with the register? I should talk very carefully. Around 450 colleges are there approximately. 450 engineering colleges are there. From all the colleges are computer science is there. Am I correct? Yes, is there any? There are hardly 1 or 2 colleges may not have computer science, but invariably all the colleges are having computer science program is there. From all the 450 engineering colleges under Anna University, why Anna University including Cambridge University, many engineering degree holders are coming out. I am very careful. Many engineering degree holders are coming out. Whether all are able to get job, though you say IT is in boom or whatever it is, whether all could get a job? No. Am I correct or not? There are students who are able to get, there are students who are not able to get what job. So we have 2 categories. One is a degree holder, other is a knowledge holder. One is a degree holder, other is a knowledge holder. Both are available. Now, who will be sold in the market? One is having knowledge. So for that, there is a world-class word. the class, every college, every institution should teach this Quran. Every faculty should know this Quran. Because I very strongly believe, faculty should take responsibility for the 4 years or the 5 years. Because that period is very sensitive. Hope you are able to appreciate. We are not America. America, people have some amount of money, some amount of time. They will get some credits, right? By 30, they may say, I have a BS degree. But here, if they don't have a degree by 22, 23, they are labeled as terminal. Am I correct? Which is horrible for the parents. So, in that aspect, what is required actually is they should come out colorfully with knowledge. So, see, with one word he played, only one word. Though it is 4 plus 3, 7 words, he played with only one word. Katal. Now, mathematics have and a senior professor retired from Marvis here. It is a superset. Master it is a superset. All the engineering degree holders coming out of 450 colleges. On specific domain, mechanical, computer science, mechanical engineering, right? Mechanical engineering degree holders are coming out. He has not accepted. Who has not accepted? Thiruvalluvar has not accepted the much what Kattar. He defines, Valluvar defines Kattar, a big set. There is a subset, Kattar. Kattar and Valluvar, we have ambiguous redefinition. Definition of Kattar and Valluvar, Kattar and Valluvar, Kattar Moon. If I say that I am good in theoretical computer science, I have to convince Professor Venkatesh Raman who is sitting in front of me. Otherwise, he will not accept. It is not going in Avinash Road or this India Road here and there that I am good in computer science. Absolutely no. Nobody will accept. That is what is interview. People may say, I have a lot of certificates. The company people may say, I don't want any broker. All the certificators are brokers. Sorry, most of the certificators are brokers. My students are here, they make us right? Most of the certificates are broker. Broker you have to believe for what? Where the bride is available, where the bridegroom is available. With that you have to stop. Beyond that, if you believe the broker will say, Bay of Bengal belongs to the bride. Am I correct? And Valluvar statue belongs to the bridegroom. And Valluvar bottom belongs to all the things they will say. So you should not believe. Certificate, nobody is required to believe. That days are gone. If at all, through campus, if you get, they will see. That also, the technical manager will never look at. It is a business of the HR to see whether they are eligible. That's all. When you come inside, they will ask, what is your field of interest? What is your field of interest? Field of interest, when you fill up the field, I used to tell my students, when you fill up the field of interest column, you should not look at your neighbor, that should come from your heart. Am I correct or not? Because you are going to face it. They will ask in the entry, which is your field of interest? You are claiming. I have come prepared in this domain. You please ask me. No need you have to ask answer all the questions. Absolutely. Right? Super. Every word is super. Kattar enammuruvar, Kattar Kattasalasulvar. That word is not commonly used. You are able to articulate, you are able to convince, you are able to impress, right? That is what is meant by Kattasalasulvar. If you are not able to impress, you are hopeless. Right? Many times people say, I have that, but I was not able to tell. We don't have a MRI machine to read that answer. Am I correct? The student had that answer, but he was not able to tell. Nobody. So please see that the importance given for evaluation in these days. This is the most important time. Whether they are able to answer, whether they are understood repeatedly, and I think this is the best people from from academic perspective. They are best different. Then it is all rider. This is all rider. இது எல்லாமே இது ரெண்டு அதிகாரம் the best fit for Professor Ramakrishnan. Abhay Anjame and Mukkamudam. 60 and 73 அதிகாரம் நினைக்கிறேன். ரெண்டுக்கும் he is the best person. No compromise. Right? Okay. உலகையும் இல்லாதோடு ஒப்பர் கடல் நெஞ்சு கட்ட சொல்றாங்க. Again, that is given in a different way. That is given in a different way. They may say that I have, but many times parents used to come and ask, my son is having 9.3 CGPA, the 7.8 got job, 8.1 got job, my son is 9.3, he is not able to get job. நம்ம தான் குத்தி படிக்கிற ஆளாச்சு. நம்ம கரெக்டாக தான் 30 படிச்சு மார்க் வாங்கி 10 கொஸ்டின், ரைட்? அதெல்லாம் வெல் ட்ரெயின், வெல் quota system. Which quota system? Rajasthan quota system. Able to understand, while they study, they get mark. That is not at all accepted. That is the reason. Again, I am telling, certificate of knowledge, knowledge is more important. All these things already available. திருப்பூர் is a treasure. அது ஒரு அரை கலைச்சி. I am not prepared to tell எல்லாமே இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு எனக்கு தெரியாது. ஏன்னா எல்லாமே சொல்றது எனக்கு தெரியாது. அவன் கரெக்ட். எனக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ whatever I want, it is available here as a teacher. I have two roles. One is I am a teacher, the other is a real placement and training. So in both the cases, I quote what is it? Only Quran. Whether you are ready, check whether you are competent. Right? This fantastic, very simple Quran. Very, very simple Quran. No need I have to waste time on this, but I have to invest some time on this. கற்க கசற கற்பவை கற்றவில் நிற்க அதற்கு தக. When you go and tell a person, முதல்ல போய் தப்பு இல்லாமல் படிக்கிறான்னா கோவம் வந்துடும். உண்மை கிடைக்காது. When you say something, you have to do some positive input rather than what? தப்பு இல்லாமல் கற்க கசற. Rather you tell கற்பவை கற்க, கற்பவை கற்க, என்ன வேணாலும் கற்றுக்க. Whatever you want to learn, you learn. கசடரை கற்றபின் எனக்கு அதற்கு தகவல் நிறுத்து. அவன் கரெக்டாக இது எது மாதிரின்னா, இந்த கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸில் 2 லூப் இருக்குது. ஒயில் லூப் அண்ட் டூ ஒயில். ஐ ஆம் ஃபார் டூ ஒயில் ராதர் தென் வாட் ஒயில் லூப். முதலாவதே போட்டவனை கஷ்டப்படுத்துறப்பா ஏதோ படி டூ ஒயில் செக் பின்னால் பார்த்துக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது. இன் தட் ஆஸ்பெக்ட் வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் யூ கேன் லேர்ன். யூ வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் சயின்ஸ், யூ லேர்ன். யூ வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் ஏஐ, யூ லேர்ன். You want to learn something else, you learn. Right? And prove that you are amazingly great. Then only you are respected. Then only you are valued. Otherwise, you don't have any value. I look at, instead of reading Karka Kasara, all the time I am telling my words, Karkavai Karka. Then Pathikira. This is another interesting thing. This very, very interesting product. Interesting for whom? Interesting for me. I told I am teaching C++ for so many years. C++ could be written as C equal to C+1. Mathematics teachers will not appreciate C and C cancel 0 equal to 1. They will not allow. It is idiotic of them. But computer science it is permitted. Computer science it is permitted. C equal to C+1. New C is equal to old C plus 1. New C is equal to old C plus 1. Another C equal to C plus 1. Your today version should be better than your yesterday version. Your today version should be better than your yesterday version. This is what is meant by continuous improvement. If your today version is same as yesterday version, what is the value addition? Why all these things? The schools, many parents torture their kids. Many parents torture their kids. How? They look at his friend's mark or neighbor's mark. That fellow would have got 90, this fellow would have got 75. Torture. He got 90, you got only 75. How is it possible? what is that you are doing? You are hopeless, you are idiot. Rather you tell them, today you got 75, tomorrow you get what? 77. No need we have to compare ourselves with other person. Rather we compare with ourselves. That is the richness of this world. நெருங்கன் உலன் ஒருவன் இன்று இல்லை, நேற்று இருந்த ஆள் இன்னைக்கு இல்லை. That is a richness. Okay. Then this is fantastic. Now people say AI is centered on prompt engineering. Am I correct? If you are good in prompt engineering, you are amazingly good in using what AI tools. அதுக்கு கூட ஒரு ஆன்சர் பத்திருக்கிறார். In Tamil there is a say, கட்டலில் கேட்ட நன்றி. Am I correct? See, yes sir. For me, கட்டலில் கேட்ட நன்றி, I take it as second parliament. I interpret the way in which I want to interpret. கட்டலில் கேட்ட நன்றி means instead of படிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறவங்க கேள்வி, ஒரு கேள்வி கேள்வி. தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கிற யாருக்காவது வேலை கொடுப்பாங்களா? யாராவது வேலை கொடுப்பாங்களா? அவங்க எல்லாம் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ்ல எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ், அவங்க எல்லாம் எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ் தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. அதான் எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ். நம்ம கரெக்ட். ஹரிசாண்டல் ஆக்சிஸ் இஸ் எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ். இட் இஸ் a sleeping axis. Nobody will consider a person who is sleeping. யாராவது கொடுப்பாங்களா? கண்டிப்பா. Nobody will consider. If he sleeps, people will say let him sleep. Let him sleep. Don't disturb him. Nobody will bother about others. Right? So a horizontal should become vertical. The horizontal should become vertical. That means your x should become y. X-axis is horizontal, y is vertical. How will x should become y? Right? It is not Seebupa technique. Or by sprinkling water from tomorrow onwards it will become vertical. Absolutely no. X will become y provided y is there. Y. Which y? WHY. The moment you ask why, everything is over. If you can't ask why, we become irrelevant. The teachers become irrelevant. Everything is available in the, what is that? Knowledge device. Not a destructive device. Absolutely it is not a destructive device. It is a knowledge device. Anything you want, right? You will be able to get some result. I will come to that next one. Hope you are able to understand, right? So question asking continuously to be encouraged. All the time what is to be encouraged is asking question. இது கேள்விங்கிற அதிகாரத்துக்கு கீழே தான் வருது. அது கேள்வி அவர் காது தான் வச்சு பேசுறாரு. நான் கூட சொல்லுவேன், length your ears, not your mouth. Length your ears, not your mouth. The surface area of ears is twice the surface area of mouth. So give more importance for ears than mouth. இல்லையா? மவுத்தை படித்தாலே நிறைய பிரச்சனை சால்வ் ஆகும். அவன் கிடைக்காது many times. So listening aspect, ears is given. But I interpret. There is a Quran. கத்தில நாயினும் கேட்க. நான் கேட்கிறேன்னா கேள்வி கேட்கு. From the hostel room to the examination hall, sometimes what is that? Students will come. இன்னும் படிக்காமல் ஒருத்தர் இருப்பான், அவன் படித்தவங்கள்ட்ட கேட்டுட்டே வருவான். இது என்னடா. ஃபைனலி யாருக்கு நிறைய மார்க் கிடைச்சிருக்கா? கரெக்டா? அவன் புரிஞ்சு படிச்சிருக்கான். அவன் கரெக்டாக இவன் 30 படிச்சிருக்கான். அது வேலை இருக்கும். என் பையன் சொல்லி கொடுத்தவனுக்கு மார்க் அதிகமாக வந்திருக்குது, என் பையனுக்கு குறைச்சலா வந்திருக்கு. The smartness is more important. You could understand? When he asked the question, we had some desire. Why? When you want to learn something, some interest parameter should be there. Okay? Say, sir, if there is no interest parameter, we will not be able to learn anything. Newton's 3 laws taught by the same teacher, same hour, auspicious time. Am I correct or not? First 2 law யோசிப்பாங்க. Am I correct? Newton's 3rd law எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்ல தெரியும். If I irritate PhD tech is great enough, அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஆட்கள் தான் இருக்கிறது கிரேட் படிப்போம். அதனால தான் சண்டைக்கே போனது. Newton's 3rd law. If you irritate, the other person will also irritate. Seriously. Otherwise, I have the habit of rubbing another person. I will keep on keep quiet. There is an interest parameter that makes me to register. Many times when we ask questions, I used to tell students are not able to answer. It is not a retrieval problem. It is storage problem. It is a storage problem. If it is stored, definitely it will be able to retrieve. பசங்க லெவல் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் தப்பா எடுத்துக்காதீங்க. மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த பாய்ஸ் know their girlfriend's date of birth. Girls know their boyfriend's date of birth. இப்போ no hide and seek game. எல்லாம் all grown up, matured people. Am I correct? Yes sir. They go. On Sunday, mother asked the son, by 12 noon, they did you wish your father? Instantaneous going. Till morning 5 o'clock, I was in the lab working on a project. I slept down. Just now I got up. I will, die. If it is the other side, midnight, 12 o'clock sharp, message would have been sent. Am I correct? Whether the mobile is on or off. The boy is not against the father. That is not a message. The message is there is an interest parameter that makes him to store. So storage is very important. That is the reason repeatedly I tell my faculty colleagues, either you have to create some interest, or the books you recommend should create some interest, or the notes you prepare should give some interest. The moon is not Am I correct? You would appreciate. So the interest parameter is very important. All the things are only through care. Keep asking questions. They will ask. They will, store. Then, many reports are generated. அதுக்கு கூட நம்மளால குரல் வச்சிருக்கிறார். இப்போ AI பீரியட்ல for everything, you are getting something. Am I correct? Last month we went to US. One of my alumnus' wife is a doctor in Los Angeles. She is working in UCLA, and they use OpenAI tools. And when they tell all the symptoms, prescription came, disease, medicine, everything. And this doctor asked, actually, I want some evidence for your inference. Some hundreds of evidence generated. This article, this paper, this article. And to her surprise, when she went to the articles, most of them failed. Right? So that is how, AI period is misused. That is the reason I said the relevance and importance of Tripura in this AI era. You see a problem. No need I have to waste time on that. You would understand? You get something immediately, share it. And not even investing any time. Okay? Absolutely no. Super word. And there is another Quran to support this. Great two Qurans. Great. நான் சொன்னாலும் யார் சொன்னாலும் ஒரு புத்திக்கும் ஒரு அறிவுக்கும் பொருந்தாத எதையும் கேட்காது. நம்ம கரெக்டாக unless you get convinced, listen to your inner voice, whether it is right or wrong. Self-evaluation before sharing with your group. Okay, right. Then I have some two more Qurans which I would like to present. One is Nunniya Nurmala Kalpinum Mantundan Nurmi Arivevu. Many times I used to tell students, you people are intelligent, but I am not a fool. I never say I am an intelligent, you are a fool. The other side is much more smarter. The current generation is too smart. Much smarter than us. Say, yes, sir, too smart. There are some people, they say, current generation may do change. Absolutely no. With all these devices, they are doing phenomenally well. But I tell them, you are intelligent, but I am not a fool. Where? On the evaluation part. Right now, I am not evaluating your paper, I am evaluating you. Right. So there are many people who you say they have studied a lot of books. I don't want to name people because sometimes we should not talk in object level. We have to talk only in class level, not object level. Seriously, very important. Because as a teacher, I am very careful. I compare two things. One is top-down approach and one is bottom-up approach. Top-down approach means give the message, then explain. This is what I call top-down approach. Bottom-up approach tells small stories, finally message. Right? And easily, what is it? The other one will register. Which one? Bottom-up approach. That is the reason the serials are popular. Am I correct or not? We never bother about what is happening in our house, but we are interested in what others outside. Right? Yes or no? So, top-down approach, the example is Tiruppural. Bottom-up approach, the example is Mahabharata and Ramayana. Tell stories, finally message. But here, strong message, very strong message. Such a richness. What? Tiruppural. Which all the time I call treasure, or Arak Kalanji. Right? You can map anything. Even for fancy process I use for, but I am more fruity. Nunni and Mulbala Karpenu, Mantan Dang, Nunni and Yemu. My students in Terras don't be worse obediently. Although a great person, he is not a worse obediently person. Those are all things. He is a person with guts. Am I correct? Say, sir. We never fought what is a reverse obedience. Sincerely, faithfully, but never want reverse obediently. No need, you have to be obedient to your parents. Some parents used to curse me, right? But what does it mean by that? Don't follow line by line what they are telling. You should have your inner voice. Appa sonna ni kalyanam pannade. Amma sonna ni pannade. Ivaru kalyanam pannu. See whether your inner voice accepts or not. You take responsibility. That is very important. Our inner voice, that is our Unmai Arivi. And the last one, the impact upon the but number super and good say, without machine learning, what they are not basic there upon the one line code. Forget about the other line. Whether it is love or knowledge, right? The more you read, the more you realize how much you don't know. That is the core of machine learning. The more you read, the more you realize how much you don't know. Right? So this is very important. You read and realize many things we don't know. Still, a lot of things can be explored from I don't know all the Tiruppural. I have that way. I know some computer science, some maths. For that I find some mapping. Whether it could be modern to compatible. Right? So I have to thank Mr. Garinjaliam for giving a nice opportunity of meeting all people on this Sunday. Right? Thank you so much. Thanks for your patient hearing. Thank you so much.